Have you ever wondered what Korea's National College Entrance Exam, the CSAT, looks like? Let's take a peek. Here's question number 5 from the 2025 CSAT Earth Science 1 section. This is a 2-point question designed for less than a minute. This is an exam question written in Korean. Figure A shows the underground temperature distribution with depth and the melting curves of rocks. Figure B shows the characteristics of magma generated by processes Ki-yok and Nyun in Figure A. A and B represent rhyolitic magma and basaltic magma in no particular order. Which of the statements in the box are correct explanations for this data? Let's solve it step by step. Statement Ki-yok is correct. Process Ki-yok represents the melting of the continental crust, granitic rock. According to the graph in Figure A, this occurs at roughly 600 to 700 degrees Celsius at shallow depths. Process Nyun represents the melting of the mantle, peridotite, due to the addition of water. According to the graph, this occurs at roughly 1000 degrees Celsius or higher. Therefore, the starting temperature for Ki-yok is indeed lower than for Nyun. Statement Nyun is incorrect. In graph B, B has a high CO2 content and a low temperature. This characterizes rhyolitic magma. When rhyolitic magma solidifies on the surface, it becomes rhyolite, not basalt. Basalt forms from magma type A. Statement D gut is incorrect. In subduction zones, A basaltic magma is formed when water released from the subducting slab lowers the melting point of the overlying mantle wedge. This corresponds to process Nyun. Process Ki-yok, crustal melting via heating, usually occurs later, when the rising basaltic magma heats the bottom of the continental crust to create rhyolitic magma. This question truly shows what Korea's CSAT tests. It's about applying complex geological concepts and interpreting data, not just memorization.